Cardano is a third-generation, open-source blockchain platform designed for smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps. It was founded by Charles Hoskinson, one of the co-founders of Ethereum, and developed by Input-Output Hong Kong, IOHK. Cardano aims to solve key issues faced by earlier blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum, such as scalability, interoperability, and sustainability, using a scientific, research-driven approach. But what makes Cardano unique? How does it compare to Ethereum and Solana? And is ADA a good investment? Cardano is a smart contract platform that aims to be a more scalable, energy-efficient, and secure alternative to Ethereum. Max supply, 45 billion ADA. Circulating supply, 35 billion, as of 2024. No mining, all ADA was pre-mined at launch. Epochs and slots, time is divided into epochs, 5 days each, which are split into slots, 1 second each. Energy efficiency, uses 99% less energy than Bitcoin. Hold ADA in a supported wallet, Daedalus, Yoroi, Ledger. Delegate to a stake pool, you keep control of your coins. ADA holders can vote on proposals, upgrades, funding. Unlike Bitcoin's energy-intensive proof-of-work, POW, Cardano uses Ouroboros, a provably secure POS protocol that is more energy-efficient and scalable. Cardano's development is based on academic research and formal verification, ensuring security and reliability. ADA holders stake their coins, and the protocol randomly selects slot leaders to validate transactions. Cardano allows delegated staking, meaning you don't need to run a node to earn rewards. Cardano is a highly scalable, energy-efficient, and research-backed blockchain with strong potential in DeFi, governance, and enterprise solutions. While it's still evolving, its scientific approach sets it apart from competitors. ADA serves as the fuel for transactions, staking, and governance, making it a key player in the crypto space.